Would you like to learn how to make some amazing bacon wrapped scallops just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
When you purchase your scallops, be sure to get the C scallops, not the bay scallops. The C scallops tend to be larger in size, and so you need a big scallop to be able to wrap it with the bacon. But the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. We're gonna start off by getting some seasoning on the scallops. I like to put the scallops in a baggie like this. It just makes it easier to season them. Now I'm gonna squeeze a little fresh lemon onto the scallops. If you didn't know, lemon on seafood is simply marvelous. And so is that garlic and herb Old Bay, okay? I'm also gonna add a little bit of Tsp Lemon Pepper seasoning by my girl Nisha's Corner. Be sure to check out her bomb YouTube channel. The lemon pepper seasoning already has salt, so I don't need to add any more. And lastly, I'm going to add a little smoked paprika. And then I'm gonna close up the baggie and get the seasoning mixed up with the scallops nicely. Next, I'll make a little garlic butter sauce for the scallops. I have some butter in a bowl and I'm going in with some crushed garlic. And I'm gonna add a splash of fresh lemon juice to that as well. Now to that, I'm gonna add just about a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. And now I'll give that a good stir. Now I'm gonna give my bacon a head start and pre-cook it a little in a frying pan on medium heat. Once the bacon is slightly cooked, I'll remove it and cut it in half just like so. And then I'll simply take pieces of the bacon and wrap it around the scallops. Try to be sure that the bacon overlaps a little so that it will stay fastened. And I like to put the scallops on a skewer like this because it just makes it easier to flip and fry in the frying pan. And you want to try and stick the skewer into that piece that overlapped so that it'll stay closed, even though that didn't work too well for me on some of them. Now I'll fry the scallops in the same pan that I used to fry the bacon. The bacon grease left in the pan will help flavor up the scallops nicely. And the pan is on medium heat, by the way. I'll let the scallops fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reaches about 125 degrees. And once they're golden brown, I'll turn off the heat and add that delicious garlic butter sauce to each scallop. The sauce will get warmed up by the residual heat. And after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D, so
my God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. These bacon wrapped scallops came out so good. It's the perfect Valentine's dinner recipe for Bae. You're welcome. Well, I hope you like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make that food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.